Hey, how you doing? If you're watching this video, the chances are you have at some point come across some of my online content and my free tutorials. I create the tutorials that I do and the free online courses purely out of passion and love for my craft. At the moment, at this point in time, June 2025, nothing anywhere is monetized. I do not get any money from YouTube. I do not get any money from TikTok. I hope at some point in the future I will be able to hit all their requirements and monetize my channels and accounts. But until that point in time, if you have benefited from any of the tutorials, advice or things that I've done online through my website, blog articles, etc., then I'd very much appreciate a coffee, which is why I have signed up to Buy Me a Coffee website. All you have to do is click on the link somewhere around this video and you'll find yourself on the Buy Me a Coffee website page looking at my profile page, and you can just send me a little tip over. It very much is appreciated. Without coffee, half of the content I create across all my different platforms wouldn't exist. So thank you very much indeed, and I wish you all the best on the endeavours and the projects that you are undertaking. Take care. Bye bye.